Hello everyone. In this lecture, we're going to introduce the idea of the thyristor. The thyristor is the third class of devices that we're talking about in this course, where the first class was diodes, simple rectifiers. The second class was transistors. And now in this course, we are moving on to thyristors. Thyristors are called what they are because they are named for the thyratron. And the thyratron is an old device that was a gas-filled tube that functioned as a controlled rectifier or a high-powered switch. And if you take thyratron and kind of add the word transistor, you get the word thyristor. And it really does the exact same thing that the thyratron did. It gives us controlled rectification, and it allows for high-powered switching. So we see thyristors used in a lot of different applications, and in particular, they can give us really kind of high-powered ability to control high-powered circuits, and they give us the ability to control whether we want to activate a rectification or not. So it's a little bit more advanced than a diode, and it kind of combines concepts from diodes and transistors. The main thing that we're going to learn in this course, or this part of the course rather, is thyristors give us the possibility of latching. And latching is something that we haven't really talked about yet in this course. And it basically is related to an idea called hysteresis. And hysteresis is the tendency for a system to get stuck in one mode or another. And it's seen in a lot of different systems, but what we care about is with latching and hysteresis, when we turn a circuit on, it stays on until a certain condition is met that cuts it off. And if it's off, it stays off. And this might seem like splitting hairs and like not that interesting of a topic compared to what we've already done with transistors. But with the transistor, if you lose your gate or base current or voltage or whatever is activating that transistor, the transistor stops operating. With a thyristor, once you engage it, it will stay engaged until a specific condition is met to cause it to shut off again, and then it will stay off until you reactivate it. So that is what we're going to be getting into in this part of the course. It's pretty similar to transistors, and in my opinion, it goes kind of quicker than transistors, because now that you understand the basics of transistors and diodes, this builds on both of those concepts in a pretty kind of digestible way.